Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. Without any further delay, let's jump right into these charts. Today was a rather busy, interesting day. All right, so the first thing we have up here is your gold futures. You will note that the market put that nice leg down in today as we continue to plummet in price. And I believe that this is going to continue as the bears are fully in control of this market. Possible going into Take Back Friday that we could see a little give back tomorrow, a little debt cash. To drop right out of the Kumo cloud, falling off of the cliff now. Probably will take a little break tomorrow and then try to put in a little short-term bottom, nice little rally to probably set up for another leg down on Sunday, but who knows? Moving right along, we got silver. So as you see, gold and silver also fell out of bed today. And here's silver putting in another leg down, stopping short of that $25 even handle. And I think that we may see more downside to come, even though it's Take Back Friday. Again, I think once this support is put in, though, we're going to test this bullish pointer back up here around that $30 mark. All right, Australian dollar in the forex side. Here you go. The market did pull back a little bit more, but stopped short right here above the trend line support. I think that this is a good place for the bulls to come in and try to support this market. If not, you can see this one fall out of bed. What about the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index? Well, we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the Bitcoin trend line support at 40,000. Could very well be in play, ladies and gentlemen. It could very well be in play. So be very, 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 very alert here in the Bitcoin. I think it's about to fall out of bed and drop right over the cliff. I wouldn't tell you nothing wrong. Next up, we got the Canadian dollar. You can see here. All right, the bulls came in and bid it right back up. So the bulls are still in control. They're keeping the Canadian dollar from really falling out of bed like it really could. As far as your doji, same thing. It's just really the bulls are keeping it elevated, keeping it from really drawing, but it's just suspended in midair. Ethereum, all right, crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. But it's trading really weird. It's flip-flopping every other day. Hasn't made up its mind what it wants to do. All right, here's Chainlink crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like it wants to come down to the trend line support and test that. Next up, we got Litecoin. All right, you can see Litecoin has that crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. Trend line support south of 160 is the target on your Theta. You can see we had this rally alert back here, and we keep getting upside production. So the bulls are definitely in control of this one. Sky is the limit. I don't know how much higher they're going to take it, but the bulls are running with it for now. And here's your XRP Ripple. Excuse me. You can see it's still in the Kumo cloud. It's making its way up toward the top end here at the top of the cloud. Overhead resistance. And the bulls still have this one also. The market, though, is kind of hanging around the trend line support area. And this right here is a bearish pointer, but this here is a bigger bullish pointer. So I think we're just going to trade within a range. This low is your support. This high is your resistance. I think it's going to be a nice little wide range for the Ripple to just behave inside of for a while. And what about Facebook? Well, here's Facebook. Facebook put in that rally today and gave us a rally alert with a bullish pointer for tomorrow's trading. Take Back Friday could actually have this thing break top side of the Kumo cloud. We'll see how much energy is really in this market for Facebook. But right now, market's flip-flopping. You put in a short-term bottom here. So we'll see if this is a support that can hold, or we go south of 250. Who knows? How about the GDXJ? Well, flip-floppage here, right? Look at that. Rally alert, no production. Crash alert, a little tiny slither of production before rallying and then falling back down into the close. This one really doesn't know what it wants to do right now, but overall, it's still a bear market. How about the GameStop? Well, here's your GameStop. It's just moving sideways here. It's already filled the gap, and now it's just deciding what it's going to do. It's drying up. Looks like the open interest here, folks. It's now falling off of the cliff. Where do you go from here but down? What about JNUG? Same thing. It's following the way of the GDXJ. Same identical chart pattern. The bears have it, keeping it at bay. What about Mara? M-A-R-A. This is Mara. This is Marathon Patent Group. Have a crash alert for tomorrow's trading, not far away from the trend line support initial target. Secondary target will be down here south of 20 on Mara. So right now, the bears have it. All right, and then here is TLT. On these bonds, you see we came up, and now the market's coming right back down again. This is a bearish pointer right here. I think we are going to head south. Like I told you, I think bonds at this rate, you guys, could be in jeopardy of falling below par. Still got a long way to go down, but that's a far drop. Here's your Tesla. Now you can see we got another leg lower, just like I predicted. We're falling out of the cloud. Once this is, I think we're going to come down here and fill this gap down here, ladies and gentlemen, that was made back on November the 17th of 2020, which means you got to see Tesla drop, dip below $462. So this one has a long way to drop. All right, that's all we got time for right now, folks. Remember, smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.